Hello, this lecture I would like to talk about many features in ETABS software. Firstly, I have down one story, all story and similar story. One story means if I select any elements, one shell for each selected. Okay, select again, click again, the slab is deselected. Click and similar story. What that mean? If I click edit story and grid systems, based level 8 modify, I have base level 2, level 3, height 3 meter, and the elevation of every story. I have an options master story. For example, the master is level 2 and the level 3 and level 4 as level 2. Okay, so level 2 and level 2. Okay, and you click on similar story. If I select this slab, so the slab of level 3 and level 4 is selected. Okay, and all story, if I select any slab, all slab will be selected. Okay, one story, select for one this story only. Okay, select clear selections, all clear selections left. So I can click select all nodes, in ETABS joints, in robot nodes, 154 frames and 85 child and 340 edge selected. Now select, I can clear selections. If I want to select any frame, any slabs, I can click select, object type, firstly joint, columns, beams, all beams for example, and the braces, if you have braces, opening, strip layers for reinforcement, beams, columns, select for example or deselect, and I can click select properties, frame section to select an element C1, C2, C3 if I have many columns. For example C1, in this case I have one section of column, so the program will select all columns. Deselect, and this view, this is a 3D view. I can click display undeformed shape to hide the mesh. Click on 3D, this is 3D. Click on plan, choose what plan I need, level 2 to level 8, level 3 for example, this is level 3, and click elevations. I have many elevations, A, B, C, D, E, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So A, elevation A, elevation B, C, D, by move up in list. Okay, and I can click plan and 4 and move up level 7, level 8, base. Okay, if I want another window, I can click and add a new window. So I have a new window, one 3D and one 2D. I can click on 2D and click 3D. I can click zoom, plus for example, and minus, and zoom in this area. I have an options extrude, options shrink, for example extrude, so the beams and columns are extruded. Can click again. I have set display options. If I click on columns, apply, the column are hidden now. Click again, column, apply, the column appear. So okay, and I can do that by another method. For example, select, object type, columns, select, right click, hide selected objects. Okay, again right click, show all objects. So set display options, object, all object, columns, beam, braces, null line, floor, extrude frame and extrude shell, other special items, connections, dimension line, architectural plane layer, horizon, and the slab internal ribs if I have rift slab or waffle slab. Click on object assignment. I can see the labels of shell and unique name and section, stiffener, local axis, whatever, all options are here. And other assignment, link assignment, design strip, peer assignment, spandrel, and tandem. Okay,